Welcome to Lazy Man's Guide to Making $1,000 a week from trading Forex. If you got Wi Fi and just a little hustle and a hunger to build something bigger than your 9 to 5, you're in the right place. Before we dive deep, a quick shout out to today's sponsor, BuyMote. Whether you're trying to save smart or just want to paying extra for groceries and household items, basic stuff, BuyMote is here for that. Grab exclusive deals and make your money stretch like it should. Link is in the description, don't sleep on it. Let's get real. Most of you aren't lazy, you're just trapped in bad systems. The job market is dry, the college was a scam, and the only promotions you get are from fast food apps and telecommunications. But what if you could print $1,000 a week without slaving away for 60 hours? $1,000 a week sounds like a fantasy until you zoom out and break it down. That's just $200 a day, $100 per session. It's not about going all in, it's about going smart. Forget what TikTok and Instagram reels taught you about trading. Trading isn't pushing buttons and hoping for green candles, it's a learnable skill. Just like cooking or coding, master setups, risk management, discipline. You're not gambling, you're just building a cash cow here. So it's a long game. Here's the cheat code funded accounts. Well, there is a catch though, the rules. There's more to it. You don't need 10K to start. You can get capital up to $200,000 just by proving consistency and that you're profitable. Pass a challenge, follow the rules, and boom, earn up to 85% of your profits. Funded accounts turn average people into silent earners. Got your own capital? Then start flipping. Take $200, compound it slowly, don't chase 50% a day. That's totally unrealistic. Chase 3% daily, focused setups with proper stop loss and risk to reward ratio. Compounding turns $200 into 2K like in weeks. Rinse, repeat, withdraw, flip again. We flipped 200 to $2,300 in like 2 months. Just two pairs, 3 to 5 trades a day. 3 to 5 trades a day is a lot more, but since we are experienced, no wild risks. That's what we do. Lazy doesn't mean that you're stupid. You don't need to be a genius. You just need a routine. Trade 1 hour a day, journal every weekend, watch price action on key levels. That's how lazy people build dangerous income. All you need is a solid broker, trading view, and a strategy. That's it. No fancy indicators, no $5,000 mentorship fees. If you can stay consistent and disciplined, you win. We look for simple things, breakouts, retests, clean supply and demand zones, USD pairs, and JBP pairs, sometimes XAUSD. Liquid assets only. We don't chase volatility, we hunt structure, always structure. Discipline is equal to paycheck. Your emotions are your biggest enemy. Accept loss, respect your edge, follow the plan. This isn't a get rich quick scheme, it's a get rich every month system. Smart traders track only what matters: win rate, risk to reward ratio, drawdown. That's it. If your stats are tight, your income is going to get a lot more. If not, you're just guessing. To make $1,000 a week, there are 5 trading days. So if we can manage to make $200 a day, 2 trades a day, 1:2 risk to reward ratio, that's math. Stack small wins, hit target, withdraw, rest, repeat. Boom, that's it. It may not always go up to your expectations. Like, you can't make like $1,000 a week. It's not fixed, it's uncertain, so you're gonna make sometimes more, sometimes less. That's how trading works. You only need 1 or 2 hours a day. Do it before work, after gym, on a lunch break. It's lazy when done right, and it pays like a full job. The truth bomb: most won't do this. They'll keep chasing high returns, blowing accounts, crying about markets, but the few that lock in, learn, and act, they print. You don't need more motivation, you need a method. If you want the blueprint and guidance, join Portfolio Maxing, my private community that gives you everything: proven flip plans, live setups, funded account strategies, and trade breakdowns. And you can sit at our table. Link is in the description. Portfolio Maxing is built for traders who print by traders who print. See ya.